My name is Richard Townsend. I am the president of Townsend Heating and Cooling, and we've been in business for 33 years. We're a heating and cooling company. We specialize in light commercial and residential. We have a no lemon policy. We have a lifetime ductwork policy. We stand behind our work. We operate 3 installation trucks and we have 4 service trucks. There's always 2-man crews on the job. They can finish their job in a timely manner, but in a very professional manner. When we finish the install, there's a 33-point inspection audit that we do. We say we make it right and we back it up. Besides a large line of heating and cooling products, we also carry the ceramic Primo brand grills and the Komodo Joes. We also carry the Broil Master grills, which are the last grill you'll ever buy. It's guaranteed for life, and it's made here in the United States. We do fireplaces, we do other burners, we do gas lighting. With our new location that we acquired, we service all of Jefferson County, St. Louis County, West County, South County, South St. Louis City. We have a large area now that we have 2 locations to serve our customers. Our company motto is exceeding expectations.